Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a playlist on YouTube. So this is the tutorial for you who want to delete the playlist on YouTube. So what you need to do is open YouTube apps. Then you can just head to your YouTube channel by clicking on the U at the bottom right corner. So here you can see these are my playlists, and as you guys can see there are lots of playlists. So if you want to delete, let's try to click on the three dots icon on the playlist. And okay, so there is no delete button. So what you need to do next is just click on the view all to see all of the playlists, and after that, when you click on view all, you can try to click on the three dots icon at the besides the name of the playlist. Then you'll see two options, delete and edit. So if you want to delete the playlist, just click on delete, and YouTube will ask you again if you want to delete the playlist. If you're sure, just click on delete again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.